The inline four-cylinder engine powers over half the cars on the road today, from your neighbor's Civic to the high-performance sports cars. But where did it all begin? At the dawn of the automobile, engineers were experimenting with steam, electric motors, and tiny single-cylinder engines. In the 1890s, most cars had single-cylinder engines. This car is known as the Benz Patent Motowagen, and it made less than 1 horsepower. Its top speed was 11 miles per hour. As cars got bigger and bigger, we needed more cylinders. One isn't going to work anymore. Manufacturers started putting V-twin engines in their cars, but those had some issues. A lot of stress on the crankshaft, uneven cooling, and awkward sizing. Manufacturers realized the inline four could fix all these issues, and that's how the inline four era began. It started with the Model T. Ford put an inline four into the new car. It made 20 horsepower and had a top speed of 45 miles an hour. With a 2-speed planetary transmission, it could run on gas, kerosene, or ethanol. The fuel economy was around 13 to 21 miles a gallon. Ford sold like 15 million of these from 1908 to 1927. It cost around $850, and as Ford found cheaper and more efficient ways to build it, the price dropped to about $260. From 1927 to 1931, Ford released the Model A, which is a slightly better Model T. They upgraded most engine components, and now the Model A made about 40 horsepower. Then the Ford Kent came along. In 1959, the Ford Kent was invented. Named after the Ford engineer Valencia Val Kent, it was revolutionary. The cams were moved from the side of the cylinder, like the Model T, to the top of the cylinder, sharing a sealing with a spark plug. This gave better high RPM performance, improved airflow, and reduced engine complexity. The Kent cost around $2,500 and made 39 to 111 horsepower, depending on the year, and got 30 to 40 miles per gallon. Production lasted until 1967. Then Lotus came in. Lotus used the Ford Kent as a base to design a dual overhead cam engine. This led to Lotus's 907 Inline 4, the first mass-produced 16-valve dual overhead cam engine. It was used from 1972 to 1999 in Lotus's 900 series cars. The 907 made around 140 horsepower and got around 20 to 25 miles a gallon. Alongside cylinder design, fuel delivery also evolved. First came single-point fuel injection. One injector delivers fuel into the throttle body, mainly used in the 80s. Then came multi-point fuel injection, where there was one injector per cylinder and each injector was placed near the intake valve. This was standard in most 90s cars. Then, as we started to learn more about fuel injection, we invented direct injection. Direct injection is fuel injected directly into the combustion chamber at high pressure, common in cars from the 2000s and today. Then the Honda K-Series came around. All these improvements led to the Honda K-Series. It's a small displacement, dual overhead cam, 4-valve per cylinder, direct injected engine. Extremely durable and very reliable. The K-Series has been used in many modern cars such as the Civic Si, the Type R, the Integra, the Accord, the CR-V, and a lot more. Through the K-Series, the inline 4 has been perfected. For now.